In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings in your Google Ads account, complete with our full 2025 guide. This process is straightforward, but it's important to follow each step closely to ensure that your ads are reaching the right audience. Let's dive right in. First, we need to open Google Ads. So start by signing into your Google Ads account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard, which is the hub for all your advertising activities. This is where you can create new campaigns or edit existing ones. Now, if you're new to this, you might feel a bit overwhelmed by all the options, but don't worry, we're here to guide you through it. Next, you'll need to decide whether to create a new campaign or adjust the settings of an existing one. If you're starting fresh, click on the option to create a campaign. On the other hand, if you intend to alter a currently running campaign, select it from your list. Adjusting an existing campaign can be a great way to refine your strategy based on past performance, enabling you to specifically cater to diverse language groups. Once you're in the campaign editor, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. Here you'll find your campaign settings. This section contains a variety of customization options that can significantly impact the performance of your advertisements. Among these, the language settings are crucial for ensuring your ads are displayed to the right audience. Now you'll want to find the languages option. You can click directly on it, or if it's not immediately visible, simply scroll down until you see it. Accessing the language settings might seem like a small step, but it plays a vital role in targeting your audience more accurately. By selecting specific languages, you're effectively narrowing down who will see your ads, which can lead to a more engaged and relevant audience. With the language settings open, you'll see a list of languages you can target. Select the ones that best fit your target audience. It's important to align this choice with the languages spoken by your potential customers. For instance, if you're targeting a multicultural area, you might want to select multiple languages to widen your reach. Finally, if you're creating a new campaign, go ahead and click Create Campaign once you've set everything up. However, if you're editing an existing campaign, don't forget to save your changes. After this, your ads will be served to users who have set their browsers, devices, or Google account to use the languages you've targeted. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language settings for your Google Ads campaign. This careful attention to language will help your ads reach the right demographic, potentially increasing engagement and conversion rates. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful in optimizing your advertising strategy.